So as I keep saying, guys, this thing is really because as you can see, I'm even crying here. You should know it's not easy. This is your girl SHEJACKIESAYS, and you're all welcome back to the SJS vlog, where we talk about fashion, lifestyle, and entertainment.
FJ.
So today,
with the strength of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS. With the power of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS. Everywhere she goes, every
what's
day.
cooking, what's poppin', SJS Nation, SJS fam? That's your favorite girl SHEJACKIESAYS, and I am back once again on your screens with another video. So today, as the topic goes, you're going to be trying something entirely different. I feel it is something which is really crazy. You're going to try it. You're going to be trying onion on our face for a week to see how our face is looking. So the truth is, currently for a month now, I haven't used any products on my face. I haven't used any turmeric, any sugar and honey. I haven't used any of the other products that I've done on my channel, but I wanted to try something different. And of late, I realized I was having a few rough, my skin was becoming a bit rough. I felt some rashes and all this kind of stuff here on my face. So I wanted us to use the onion for our face for a week. I wanted you guys to get a closer look how my face is looking. This is how my face is actually looking now with all this. I feel it's a bit rough. And onion is a natural something which helps make your skin smooth, which helps you age younger, which helps with acne and all this kind of stuff. So we are going to be trying that to see how it works on our face. So just a little reminder, every day we're going to be blending a new onion. I don't want to blend everything and put it overnight. I want to see how effective it is when I apply it fresh on my face. So let's go right into the kitchen. I'm going to blend the onion. This is day one of using the onion on my face, and let's hope and see if we're going to get an improvement. And oh my god, onion on my face, onions on my face, guys. Oh my god. So let's go. Join me. Oh, I forgot to add take you along. All right. Okay there, guys, so the first thing you need are your onions. You need a little bowl, you need a sieve. As you can see, you need an empty bowl. And yeah, I've already chopped my onions, and you also obviously you need a blender, and there you have it. So what I do is I pour the onions into the blender. So the next step is pouring water into the blender where I have the onion inside. So you just pour it to your satisfaction, however way you want it, but I didn't want it to be watery. So however way, this is how I wanted it. After blending the onion, then I pour it onto the sieve, into the bowl to sieve out the chaff, because all I need is the onion juice. So this is literally what I'm doing here, guys. Okay, so now we have our onion juice ready, so we can do away with the chaff. I don't need it. I only need the juice, and let's get right into the actual deal. So before I even apply the onion juice, I need to cleanse my face. So this is the tea tree facial cleanser. I'm about to clean my face with it. I don't want to be applying the onion juice on a dirty face. So guys, I am ready. This is my cotton bud. My cotton bud is here. So we are going to, so if you know how onion is, when you're working with it in the kitchen, you know how it works. Oh my god, this thing smells. Huh? Just imagine when you're working with onions in the kitchen, when it enters your eyes. So just imagine you applying the onion on your face. So guys, this is my face after using the onion, and I'll be cleaning this after 15 minutes. So this thing nearly went into my eyes, but God being so good, I am good here. So basically, as I was saying, the onion is really good. It has natural substances, and personally I love onions. I love a lot of onions in my food. I could just prepare a tomato sauce with just onions and I'm good to go. So guys, this is, and note, it smells, and it might go into your eyes. So whenever you're applying it, be careful of how you apply it in your face. So guys, we rinse it after 15 minutes and see how our face is looking. All right, so that, guys, this is my face after rinsing the onion off, and there isn't much change. But what I realized was, before I went to wash up the onion, I realized my face was really dry. all the onion had dried into my face, and I'm quite sure this is going to work. I'm quite sure you were not expecting a massive change in day one, so this is how we have it. Let me dab my face a bit. So this is my face. This is the area where we really want to see if the onion is going to work. This is my face after using the onion on my face for day one. So let's see what happens in day 2 of using the onion. What's up there, guys? Today is day 2. What's up there, guys? Today is day 2 of using the onion on my face. This is how my face is looking this morning. It feels like this. I feel the roughness is going down a little bit because yesterday my face was a bit rough, but I feel a bit of smoothness. But I also feel that my face is really dry, but I don't really know. So let me wash up my face, let me add the onion, and let's see what happens. So guys, we fully applied the onion on my face, so let's see what happens to my face after 15 minutes. And yeah, okay there, guys. So I'm done washing my face, and this is how my face is feeling. I told you all that I have a dry skin downwards, but I have an oily face. But I am really surprised that I'm having this dry face. But let's see what happens. I'll be putting on makeup today, and let's see if it will last with the onion on my face. I'm not using it as a primer or anything, but with me having onion on my face as a base, let's see, after I add the makeup to it, let's see if my face is still going to be dry, if I'm still going to have normally my face starts to get oily around this area. So let's see what happens, guys. When I do the makeup and all those kind of stuff, I'll let you guys know. So this is still day 2 of using the onion on my face. So guys, this is my face. I forgot to show you my makeup process, but this is my face after using makeup on my face for like I put makeup on my face around 11, and now it's 5 p.m. and this is my face. I think the oiliness of my face has gone down a little bit. So guys, we'll see what happens on my face in day 3 of using the onion on my face. It's a beautiful morning, guys. It's day 3 of using the onions on my face, and this is how I woke up with my face looking like. Day 3, let's see how the acne is faring. I feel personally I don't really have a lot of hyperpigmentations, but I had this rough stuffs on my face, but touching my face yesterday and today I feel a little bit smoother. So guys, this is day 3. So guys, I am back. My face is washed, and yeah, oh my god. Alright guys, so we are done applying the onions on our face. So let's see what happens after I wash my face as usual. And I'm kind of starting to love the way the onion is starting to settle on my skin, because my skin is now a bit dry. I don't know what happens if I stop using the onion, but guys, the smell of it, because this morning I haven't eaten and anything, and just the feeling the smell of onion on my face, it feels as if I haven't taken my bath, whereas I've taken my bath. So guys, this is my face after day 3 of using the onion on my face. Let me get you guys a closer look. Probably. So this is how day 1 it was looking, but it seems this part is going down a bit, and yeah. All right guys, so catch you guys in tomorrow. That is day 4 of using the onion on my face. What's up guys, today is day 4 of using the onion on my face, and this morning as usual, my review, as I've been telling you over the past few days, that my face has been extremely dry. And yeah, as you can see, my face is already washed, and yeah, I have my onion here. I just finished blending it, and oh my god, sure. So guys, yesterday in the evening, I still realized that I still had the bumps. My face was a bit itchy. I was really itching around here. I don't really know if it's because I prolonged the movements of the onion here, but all the same guys, I was itching on day 3. So as I keep saying guys, this thing is really you really need to take care of it, because as you can see, I'm even crying here. You should know it's not easy, but just imagine you chopping onions off and you just know how it feels when it enters your eyes. So the interesting part is today I didn't wash my face with a cleanser. I just washed my face with water before applying the onions, and I realized that the cotton, it's a bit dirtier than it's supposed to be. I don't know if you can see, it's a bit dirty. So most of the times when I wash my face in my cleanser, when I clean it, I don't really see any much dirt. Yeah, but I feel today it's probably because I didn't use the cleanser on my face, and yeah, I just washed my face with water. So guys, let's see what happens after I wash my face. What's up guys? So I am done bathing. It means I've definitely washed the onion off my face, and this is how my face is still looking. I still feel this place to be really dry, and yeah. So guys, today I want to be applying a bit of vitamin E on my face to see how this thing would really work out. So yeah, this is just a little bit of it, and I just rub it on my face, and yeah. Well, this vitamin E is making my face really smooth, really dry, which I really like. As I said, I do have an oily face, and yeah. So guys, see you on the last day of using the onion on my face. What's up guys, you're welcome. What's up guys, today is the last day of using the onion juice on my face. I absolutely love the onion on my face, but one thing I realized was that the onion smells terribly on my face, and I could feel the onion on my face the whole day. Even though I washed it out, it lasts till the following day. And I am feeling how my skin is looking after the onion, and the roughness of this part of my skin, I no longer feel it after 5 days of using the onion, because I was feeling some roughness here, and I have a bit of I had some acne. Would I even say it's acne? A bit of rash. Yeah, I'm not really an acne person, so I had some few rashes in here, some dark spots in here. So guys, I'm done applying the onion on my face, so let's see what happens. As usual, 15 minutes, let me wash it off, and let's see how my face is actually looking. All right there guys, so I am done washing my face, and this is finally my face, how my face looks after I apply the onion on my face for 5 good days. I started on Monday, today is Friday, and yeah, this is it. And let's get a closer look. I don't know if you guys realized in here, this other video here is day 1, and this is the final day, and I feel the dark stuffs in here is going down a bit, and here too, and I don't really see much changes. The changes wasn't as drastic as the time I used the ice cubes in my face, and also at the time that I also used the sugar and honey stuff on my face. I feel this is not drastic. The only side effect of this is the fact that it has a terrible smell, and when you're using it to my entire eyes, as you guys saw yesterday, I was crying. So guys, this is it. This is a final look. And would I recommend this to anyone? Of course yes, but know your skin. I felt my skin was really compatible with this, but I didn't see much changes. Would I do this again? I doubt. But the only aspect I loved about this is the fact that it reduces the oily stuffs on my face, because I haven't used any product that has actually reduced the oil on my face. Most of the times it just increases it, and this time around I felt my face has been dry for a whole week, and I really liked it. So guys, this is my face after using the onion on my face for 5 days. I hope you enjoyed it. A little disclaimer, as I said, your skin is different from mine is different from yours, so probably when you start getting allergies, I beg, just stop it. Really loving the definition he has given my skin. My skin feels very nice. Leave your comment down below. If there are any other questions you might want to ask, just leave it down below. I'll be glad to reply you. Don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. It's still your favorite girl, SHEJACKIESAYS, your hostess with the most stats, bringing you the hottest and the juiciest, and I am out. Peace guys.
Strength of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS. With the strength of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS. With the power of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS.